Terrifying, crazy, and unlucky pics of Mother Nature, showing its wild side. Heavy rain turns stairway into a waterfall. So there's been a bit of rain in Ireland recently. This tree was struck by lightning 3 hours ago. Lightning hit sidewalk. Cedar tree explosion. My friend was flying out of Phoenix last night. He just missed the dust storm. This is the road I'm supposed to drive on my final driving test this morning. Fog my life. My sister rented a flat here in north of Iceland for Christmas. This is her view. Summers in England. Over 4 meters, 13 fatter of snow at Riksgränsen, ski resort in northern Sweden. The sky in Murcia, Spain, turned orange because of dust from the Sahara. When it's your stop and the doors open to this. Hurricane Matty was a sod of a beach in Daytona. Welcome to Narnia. 2 days of gale force winds along Lake Erie have iced over many of the homes along the beach in Hamburg, NY. Dedication on display for Buffalo Bills fans. What happens in southern Utah after a windstorm? Hail through sunroof. Went to go see the Golden Gate Bridge. Lightning strikes a golf practice green in Iowa. Took this pic when the sandstorm was about to hit. Tree in my town burning from a lightning strike. Thickness of ice on my windshield in Romania. Damaging winds and severe storms. Just blew through Indiana. Patio table stuck into a wall. Found this in my yard after strong winds. I guess you would call it a tumbleweave. This is what happens in my hometown. When you don't leave the faucet trickling in the winter, pipes bursting. In Watertown, NY. Tornado-driven branch impales my house directly above my kid's bed. It's been so cold I snapped my welcome mat. I guess I'm not driving anywhere today. This photo was taken at 9 a.m. on August 17, 2018, in Prince George, British Columbia. The smoke from the wildfires is so thick it's blocking out the sun. Lightning blew up my mailbox last night, of all the things. My trip to Mount Rushmore last year. This tree fell and pulled the whole lawn up with it. A bit windy today. After flood, fire and rescue departments going door to door to check the safety of structures. I hate freezing rain. Record-breaking snowfall from Canadian blizzard. 30 inches fell on Friday alone. Hurricane damage boardwalk. Our beloved hot dog stand got damaged during Hurricane Irma. This poor Lambo I towed in Calgary. After hail and flood. Iowa corn flattened by 100mm winds. Got a call earlier that a tree fell on my house. The roof in my apartment collapsed due to rain, but the latex paint caught the drywall. I was excited to see the tip of Africa from Gibraltar, but fog, still the closest I've ever been. Algeria, Les Fusiliers metro station this evening, after the torrential rains. Not as bad as the guy who traveled to see the Golden Gate Bridge, but this is my wife and I, at the highest point on Skyline Drive, overlooking the majestic Shenandoah Valley. There was a blizzard last night, so we decided to check on our car. Mother Nature decided that this BMW should be a convertible. In Iceland, restaurant had a broken door during a severe snowstorm. When you are flooded and don't want to get electrocuted, but hopeful.